Hello and welcome to another Grandads Travels, and yes, as promised, a little video on how to change and clean the bottom bracket of my e-bike. I've done it before, so hopefully it will all be plain sailing, fingers crossed. So, I hope you found that little video useful, and just shows you that an amateur that doesn't really know what they're doing, like me, can do little jobs like that. You don't have to take them to the bike shop every time for you to spend money that we all haven't got nowadays. So if it can save you a little bit of money and just pass the time of day doing it, that's a good thing. So I will say from the e-bike and from me until the next one.